although I have a 9 to 5, okay, but for me, following my exposure, especially after reading the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill and several other business books, I realized that uh, uh, rich people, wealthy people, successful people do not rely on just an income stream, just one income stream. So for me, it became like a high point for me to diversify my income. And what other way other than uh, focusing on building a business online? And that was how my journey started many years ago. Okay, because yeah, I love what I do, because beside just working, for me it's about fulfilling my purpose. And the organization I work for, one of the best in Africa, I mean, has its purpose aligned with mine. My purpose is aligned with the organization. For instance, the organization has its purpose as striving to uh, to build a world where everybody lead a quality life. Okay, and my purpose is to inspire, motivate individuals so that they can reach their full potential. So you could see that synergy between my job, now my 9 to 5 job, and my purpose. Okay, but beside that, one income stream, okay, cannot meet my needs, because I I want to live a life of options. I want to give my children the best of education. I want to be there for my family. So I all of this cannot be achieved by just uh, salary. Okay, so which is why I I diversified and I built a portfolio of uh, internet businesses. For instance, I'm into digital products. I do affiliate marketing. I do coaching. I do speaking. Okay, I do e-commerce. Okay, once upon a time in my life, I between the year 2018 and 2019, I had imported some products from China where I sold via Konga and some other social media channels. Okay, and I do freelancing. Once upon a time, I worked as a freelancer on Fiverr, providing copywriting services, okay, as well as article writing, editing and all of that, where I will repurpose articles on Fiverr, and I did some coaching also on Upwork. So I built a portfolio around all of these, and the tip I will give anybody, okay, who desires to lead a financially successful life is to diversify your income. Diversify your income uh, by looking online, okay, strategy. I mean, because it does not interfere with your job. All you need to do is just create a clear cut strategy, okay, so that there is a balance between your 9 to 5, for instance. That is, if you have a 9 to 5, and if you are the type who does not have a job yet, why not? You can embrace, okay, the totality of what the internet business offers. Okay, just make sure if you have a 9 to 5 like I do, create a balance, okay, between the two. One is to identify a problem that you want to solve, and this is tied to a niche. Okay, if you serve everybody, then it means you are not in business. But identify a specific niche, a specific problem that is tied to that niche. Then look out for the problems. Okay, look out for the skill, the expertise, the exposures that you have, the knowledge that you have that could help in solving that problem. Okay, now package that into a product or a service. The whole of this is what I call value, and deliver it exceptionally to your customers. And most times you don't necessarily have to own these products. Okay, that is where the affiliate marketing comes in, or what I call white label franchising, where someone else creates the product, you buy the license to that product, okay, because it meets or satisfies the needs of your prospects or audience, and then you serve them. And what better way to build an online business than to leverage your knowledge? Okay, I have worked in the sales and marketing space for close to 2 decades of my life. So what more? There is so much that I know. There is so much that I can offer as a consultant, as a coach, and as somebody who does digital products. So I bring all of this to bear, and I ask today, what knowledge do you have? What competence do you have? What giftedness do you have? What skills do you have? You have them, and you can actually uh, uh, deliver them online. Okay, and one of the business model that I will recommend, okay, is affiliate marketing. Perhaps you've never uh, 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 experienced the computer before. That is not a problem. Okay, I'm leaving a link, okay, to a tutorial, okay, that is going to take you through a step-by-step process of starting a profitable affiliate marketing business where you can earn, okay, at least $50 in 30 days. Okay, this is what I've experienced. I've gone through this training, and I am recommending it to you watching me right now. And if you are watching me not yet subscribed to this channel, please endeavor to do, because what I do is that I dish out tips, okay, especially in the online space as it relates to my personal journey. So click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you don't get to miss any of my subsequent videos. I'll be leaving the link to the tutorial, free 45 minutes tutorial that offers a comprehensive guide, step-by-step approach to how you can start, okay, and scale an affiliate marketing business. And one tip that I'm going to leave with you today is this: learn to take your online business like a real business. Most people, because they've been brainwashed because of what they've seen online, they think you just press a few buttons, you just use your phone, and boom, you are a millionaire overnight. No, it is not a get rich scheme. It is not an overnight success thing. If you truly desire to build a sustainable passive income business, then I would recommend, okay, that you take this journey as real as it is. Okay, so click the link in the description of this video to take this free training, and then make a decision whether you want to commit, okay, to starting your journey as an affiliate marketer that will build, okay, your success in the long run. And should you want to connect with me, I have series of online portfolio, online business portfolio. I coach on these, I consult on these, and you desire to start, like getting the right web hosting, getting your right customers, the right niche to go into, how to package your knowledge, how to start an affiliate program. All of this, if you are interested, perhaps you are confused as to how to start, perhaps you've lost so much money in the past and you need somebody to put you through, please connect with me through the link I'm going to be leaving in the description of this video. So that is it, guys. Click the link in that description and start your affiliate marketing journey, and you will thank me later. Cheers.